Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another quick tutorial video. In this channel, we provide you with every possible solution to a specific problem. Whether it's a quick fix or a detailed tutorial, we are here to help you. So in today's video, I'm gonna be showing you how to fix delayed notifications on Instagram. It's pretty quick and easy, so without any further delay, let's get started. First of all, what you have to do is to simply tap and hold the Instagram mobile application. It will show you such type of interface. From here, what you have to do is to simply head towards app info. Now once you are on the information page of Instagram, basically what you have to do is to simply tap on the storage and cache over here, and from here you have to simply clear out the cache and then clear out the storage for Instagram. Once the cache memory has been deleted, simply go back, head towards your Google Play Store, tap on the search bar and search for Instagram. Make sure that you are using the up-to-date app. If not, simply tap on update and update the app. Then simply go back, head towards your settings again. Make sure that notifications of Instagram are turned on. Okay, so guys, that's it for today.